Hi friends, in this video I would like to talk about Providence. The capital of Rhode Island, Providence, is one of the oldest cities in the United States with epic history and gorgeous neighborhoods and buildings. Even if you just have one day or a weekend, you will have enough time to experience the culture and beauty of the city. Providence is the capital of and most popular city in the United States. State of Rhode Island was founded in 1636 by Roger Williams. Rhode Island was the first of the 13 colonies to declare its independence from England in May of 1776, and the state has a wealth of both historical and modern sites to explore. The first place we went was Rhode Island State House. If you arrive in Providence by train, the Rhode Island State House is located right next to the train station. The gorgeous neoclassical buildings rise above the downtown area and is well worth a visit. Fun fact: the dome is the fourth largest self-supporting dome in the world, preceded only by St. Peter's Basilica in Rome, the Minnesota State Capitol in St. Paul, and the Taj Mahal in India. The State House is topped by a statue called the Independent Man, symbolizing the freedom of thought and entrepreneurial spirit of the smallest state in the United States. The interior, if possible, is even more beautiful. The original bas reliefs are stunning. Unfortunately, we didn't get inside, but if you get there, don't miss the 1663 colonial chapter, which established Rhode Island as one of the 13 colonies and granted religious freedom by King Charles II. Often overlooked in favor of its trending neighbors like Boston or Newport, Providence is bursting the historical architecture, beautiful water views, and mouth-watering it for all palates and budgets. The second place you should go is downtown Providence. Surrounding the State House is the bustling downtown area of Providence. There is ample shopping, dining, and architecture to admire, and it's fun to declare some time to explore the downtown area during your one day in Providence. Follow the path of the river and make sure you don't miss the Providence City Hall, Customs House, Old Stone Bank, and Providence Performing Arts Center. The Providence River Walk and Water Place Park feature an adorable cobblestone walking path, 3¼ of a mile in length. If you would like to extend this walk, the Water Place Park path is about 2 miles long. Water Place Park is an urban park situated along the Hoonascatucket River in downtown Providence, Rhode Island, at the original site of the Great Salt Cove. Water Place Park and Riverwalk together are host to Providence's popular summertime water fire events, a series of bonfires lit on the river accompanied by classical and world music. Federal Hill, historically an Italian-American neighborhood similar to Boston's North End, is filled with Italian interiors and cute decor. Spend some time people watching at the De Pasquale Fountain and perhaps pop into a bakery for an Italian cookie, pastry and gelato. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment and subscribe.